Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing great. Today I came back with a new tool called as Bank Nifty Scalping Data. This tool is based on Market Watch data. This tool is just to give you an idea what's happening in the market using market data. This this gives signals, but it doesn't guide you whether to buy or sell. This is just to take trades based on those signals. Okay. The main idea behind this tool is suppose you attended an exam where you are not sure about the answers. You have no knowledge about the topic. Then what do you do? So either you write your own answers, which is a very dangerous thing, like it might go wrong. The most probably it will be going wrong, or either you copy from a other student. Okay. So from whom do you copy generally? You have no idea whether the student around you is a brilliant student or a uh, no-brainer or something. So you look around the hall and see who is taking more number of additional sheets and follow their answers. Imagine that you have an opportunity to sit with them and watch their answers and write your exam. The same way, in market, we are not sure whether the market will be going up or down or sideways. Okay, but there are few key players. Might not be an institutional player, but some retail player who is very good with his technical indicators or fundamental analysis and knows sure shortly in which direction the market is going. So at the time, what he do is he generally place the orders in a bulk quantity, so that like the market might be going in whatever the direction he placed the order, or might go in the opposite direction. This quantity can be considered as a stop loss, or he might be luring us to bring down the price and take trades after that, or might be some other information too. So all of this information comes under Market Watch, and we can get this data under Market Watch. So let's take this Market Watch data and build a tool out of that and get signals from that. So here what I did is like I'm continuously reading the Market Watch data and seeing like if an user or a retail investor is placing quantity greater than 1000 each order, not the total order quantity is greater than 1000. Each order quantity on average should be greater than 1000. Then it's a big order. Why it's big order? If a person is playing a 1000 order quantity order, then he is almost investing 12 lakhs rupees even after taking the leverage provided by the broker. He is investing 12 lakhs, which is not a small amount. So he should be serious about those trades. I'm not saying that he is genuinely correct or he is 100% correct, but most of the times it should be correct. Okay. So based on that logic, I'm building this tool, and I'll be watching the market like whenever the signal comes, which direction the market is going. So let's see how this works. So we already have few signals which I marked in blue color arrows here. So generally this tool provides two kinds of signals. One is wherever the quantity is greater than 1000 for each order, and another one is stress buster, which is like within a span of 1 minute, if the number of calls are more, then it will give us a signals like more than 100, then it will give signal. So if you see this current signal, it is saying that someone has placed around 200 2325 orders in I mean two orders placed this much of quantity basically, which is very huge quantity. And if you see the second signal, then it's a stress buster, like they placed like 244 233 by quantities, like those many trades has been taken within the span of 1 minute, which means there might be some huge movement coming here. Let's watch and see. It's pulling back slowly, but it's not taking any positive movement. Yeah, it broke that low of the signal candle, and a big movement is coming. I think it will cross around. It will give around 30 to 50 points simply. Let's see. It gave 50 points. I'm placing a blue mark, blue arrow mark here. So we'll do one thing. I'll let it record for a few more minutes and leave it for the day. This tool is not for sale or it's not completely ready. I just got a thought on watching Market Watch and take decisions based on that. I'm not sure like where this is going to be, and if you guys have any ideas on top of this one, please let me know. We can build a tool out of this together and take benefit. Okay. See you guys again with a new strategy. Thank you. Guys, I also want to let you know people that the main purpose of these videos is to encourage you people to come up with your own strategies so that I can build a tool for you, or else we can work together and improve those strategies. Okay, these tools are not for sale. You can contact me using my Telegram link, which is in the description box, or else you can ping me at the rate Power Algo.